Right then, we've been staying in room 241 at Hilton Puckrup Hall near Tewkesbury. So let's show you around.
Morning.
So let's start in the bathroom, which is a really good space, isn't it, Paul? It's a big bathroom, which has been very functional. We'll start here where you've got a shaver point and a black button. I don't know if you want to spin it around, Paul. We don't know what it does.
I'm too scared.
No, you're not. So if anyone knows what this button's for, I don't know what it does really. But there you go. You've got body lotion and hand wash from Crabtree, and you've also got some really nice products for the shower too. You've got shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, and a nice hot powerful shower and deep bath. You haven't got grab rails on the side, but you have got grab rails on the bath and just on that side. So we always get asked about rails, don't we, Pauline?
We do.
Yeah, so we always like to point them out if you think we're a bit weird. But the bathroom's been a good size, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
it's fab.
Yeah. And then into the main room, as you can see, that's a good size too. So let's start over here, where you've got a chair, a TV with all the regular UK channels on, a nice large lamp and a heater, and obviously a large bed, which has been fairly comfortable. I know we didn't sleep very well last night, to be honest, did we? But
Right, let me tell you, Paulie has a little moan. This here, I must have hit my elbow.
yeah, that's right, because the bed's under it, isn't it?
Protruding over, so when you turn over in the night, about probably 5 or 6 times.
Yeah.
I went on the old funny bone, and it was so funny. So that, to me, that's too big, or needs to be moved, or there's something not right about that.
Yeah, it looks like that table could move slightly over to that side, Paulie. There you are. You've solved it. Too late on the way home. Yeah, but the bed's fixed. I don't know. But it was comfortable, wasn't it?
Right, yeah.
But do you want to say that we didn't sleep well? Should we start that again? Because now you've made a thing of it, a thing that you could have solved.
Yeah, okay.
So
Start with the bathroom, into the main room. What we do, come out the bathroom, do the wardrobe and safe.
yeah. Right then, so into the main room, and you'll see you've got a full-length mirror here, and you've got an open-plan wardrobe with not many hangers. So if you've got a lot of stuff, bring your own hangers. But you've got a fan, you've got an ironing board, and you've got an iron. And look at this, there's a huge safe that you can get a huge computer in.
But you're only allowed to use it if you're tall.
I know, I can't reach it.
So yeah, it is quite...
Well, I can reach it, but I can't reach it if you push stuff in the back. No. So onto the main room, you've got a desk, you get tea and coffee facilities. This is a Hilton hotel, and we'd recommend anyone to sign up for the Hilton Honours programme, only because you get some complimentary water. It's not much, but it's just...
You get complimentary water and early check-in.
Yeah, if you want it.
If you want it.
So you can see you've got drawers here. There's a hairdryer in the one drawer there, otherwise the rest are all empty. You've got plugs over here. You've got 2 plugs there, UK obviously. You've got 2 USBs on the top of the little clock, and you've got 2 plugs here. But there's none by the side of the bed, is there? So as you can see, it's a decent sized bed, but there's no USBs along here. But it's been fairly comfortable, hasn't it, Pauline?
Yeah.
A nice little seat here, and then... And then you've got a nice little seat here with a lamp and a TV, which has got all the regular UK channels, hasn't it?
Stuff that you would find, but no Sky channels.
Okay. And then we've got one of the things that I get a bit creeped out of, I don't know, which is a bit bizarre. Ooh, is one of these.
Now we're going to give you a few seconds to guess what film this window comes from before we tell you why Carole doesn't like it.
It's a round window. Yeah, that looks out actually over onto the golf course. So it's a lovely, lovely view. We've got a bit of frost this morning, but the sun's out, so that's good. But yes, do you know which film this window's from? Anyway, put the answers in the comments below.
Yes.
But it's been we've been here for one night. We've been on an event with Princess Cruises, haven't we, Paulie? So do check out our channel because we've got lots of cruise content and we've got lots of other hotel reviews too. So, but this has been lovely. The hotel's beautiful. It's in a beautiful part of the world, our county of Gloucestershire. But we'll just leave you with that. So let us know.